Today's a big day. The rematch. Tyler's machine versus Donald's Wildcat. Which it should win this time. We're gonna go out to the drag strip and find out. Last time we saw this machine was in the parade.
Sure was.
You gotta get all those lights off. I don't want to hear that, oh, it weighed too much because of all the lights.
Aerodynamics were messed up.
And we gotta do another rematch later.
Nope.
It's gonna be a fair race, huh?
Huh?
It's gonna be a fair race.
I don't know about that. There's like tons of stuff missing on that thing.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fair. It's drivable.
Okay.
It's within the rules.
That is the oddest looking thing I have ever seen.
I know, it's hilarious. I love it.
Even has a cover off from where the clutch is.
We can't afford to have any extra weight on there.
That is messed up.
It's fine. It's legal.
Tyler still thinks that I'm gonna win though.
Does he?
That's what he said.
You did. I heard it.
I've run the numbers. I think you got a challenge on your hands this time around. Oh man, you could cut this tension with a knife. Look at these two.
Seatbelt. Safety first. Yeah, right. Safety first. I got this.
We're ready. We've got them lined up. They each have dropped a few extra last minute pounds. Got a seat, a water bottle, and a bolt we found. Trying to get that in. Got our 8th mile lined up, and they are ready to go. I knew it. I knew my math was right. Like they started at exactly the same time.
Reaction.
Yeah.
Throw a bunch of crap out of here.
We can take the seat out if you think that'll do it.
Take the door off.
To the line. To the line. That changes everything. Everything washed out.
I felt like there was a whole bunch of weight taken off that side.
Feel it?
Yeah.
Definitely.
So now I'm going to be going this way.
Wow,
Take this sweater off. That's fancy. Yeah.
Don't put that back down.
Everything's.
We'll just ignore that.
The whole front end's starting to break.
Oh, you won.
Need a new whole front section. What, you want to use it?
I'm ready. You good? Okay.
Flag it. Yeah.
There's a weight difference now. Straight down to the frame. He made me put the roll cage back on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's yeah. I think it's so much fun. That's so cool.
Well, I won. Is your belt still there?
No.
Oh, it made a heck of a noise.
That's awesome.
So, we're done. The machine won.
Are you going to get it back?
We'll bring the trailer down and push it on. Oh, I blew the belt.
Did ya?
Yep.
Blew the belt right off. Where did it fall off after you made it to the end?
I made it to the end, circled back, and I was coming back, seeing how fast it would go. I hit 65.
Yeah.
And then it went bang! Hit the rev limiter. And yeah, the belt was gone.
She doesn't smell now.
What?
She smells now.
It smells like burning rubber.
See, this is what always happens with Chris. You let him borrow something, he breaks it.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, what does the belt feel like?
Huh?
140, 150.
Oh, I can get off the line. I just can't seem to stay ahead.
There we go. I found
Hey!
it. Remember, this is the same belt that you toasted
I did toast it.
last week. I'll do
I
a
was going to say
flashback
it's
on that.
probably, it was on its way anyhow.
But it didn't hurt anything. Good thing we had the cover off of it, huh?
It'll be easy to put the belt on, won't it?
There's something wrong with that.
There's something wrong with it. The belt has left the housing.
But was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite an experience. Okay.
Well, I was entertained.
Yeah.
Well, since Chris busted it now, we all have to go home.
We all have to go home. Go get your truck. No, he's gonna be sad if he blows his belt.
Looky, I got a hooky.
Hey, there it is. It's like it broke
That could be patched.
right about here.
About that back
here, or here so much.
Not there.
So right here. Let's get a close up. Huh? Let's get a close up. Well, it didn't. What are you doing? It didn't break where he burned it last week. It broke up here. So I wonder if that was just going to fail anyway. Or maybe, I don't know.
Chris, why are you
Feels like it's
playing with
burned
rubber?
What? Would you go load up? I want to go home.
I can't. You have my wife.
Oh, give me that camera. Give me that. Oh, that's. Oh, come on, come on! This way. There you go. It's a little more. A little more. There it is. Oh, now you're on the strap.
First time mine's at the pull somebody.
Right?
This thing come out?
No. Yeah, the wires are right here.
He went to go get a toe strap.
Weight reduction.
I have a question. Who's really the loser here?
I think me. actually, it's Chris. He's the one that broke the
He did.
drive.
He floated it. And it wasn't my fault. So should you just
I don't know. I don't feel like the loser right now. Okay.
All funny things, you know, Chris breaks the ride.
Loser.
Okay, well.
That was fun.
put this one back together now.
After you get an extra part.
We're gonna need a belt, but then we put it back together. So come spring, summertime, we can take them places, go riding and stuff. So that'll conclude.
That'll be when mine breaks down.
That's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate every viewer and every subscriber, especially you members. You guys are amazing. I have playlists of all the different machines. If there's something that catches your fancy, you can check them out there. But thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video on 3-Day Weekend.